Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to create this pattern. It can be a single or a double. A couple things we need to think about is 1/3 and the shift key when we're doing this. So I'm going to take this, just move it out of the way. And I'm going to take a rectangle, but a square, and holding down the control button. And I'm going to make it, doesn't really matter what size I make it right now. I'm going to make it 5 by 5. I'm going to rotate it for 45 degrees. And then I want to make it something thicker than a hairline. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go down to a 1/2 inch. Now I'm going to go and make it 7 inches exactly. And then that way, when I duplicate it, it'll be easy. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So we're going to go Control D and go down, and you can see it puts it right in there. Now I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to Control D. I'm going to move over. I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to Control D and move over. So now I have my shape. I need to select it all, go up to Object, and convert it to a curve. I would so strongly suggest using the 1/3 method with the Shift key, and take your, so do a test, take these 3 nodes and select them, go up to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and I'm going to go 1/3 of 7 is 2.33, and it makes it look like a good circle. Now, select these on the outside, holding down the Shift key, select these 3, holding down the Shift key, select those. Now go and do the same apply, and look at that. You got that pattern. Now, if you want to make it a double, you would just put more over, and so it'd be 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. And then what you can do, you can go to Object, convert the outline to an object. You can actually left click, right click, and then we need to weld them together. So if you're doing like 5 inches, you do 1/3 of 5. If you're doing 6, you do, 2-inch radius. I'm going to go and weld these, and now they're all one piece. I'm going to go and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it this orange. I'm going to take away the outline. And you don't have to go any further than this. Then go to the interactive fill tool and just swipe across. And then I would pick elliptical, put your elliptical in the center. You can move this handle, make it round. Move this out, and it'll make it round even. And then let's put, let's take yellow and put it in the center. And we'll actually make it a little bit better. We'll use red for the outside, make it stand out quite a bit. And then when you take your, that looks pretty good, but when you take your rectangle tool, fill it in with black, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page, and it looks so much better. It really shows it off. And you can do a lot with this. You can make continuous lines. You could somewhat make a frame. These middle ones might need to be tweaked a little bit, but it's the same on all 4 sides, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.